Presenting a pre-owned 2016 Porsche Cayenne S. 2016 Porsche Cayenne S. Turbocharged power meets luxury. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine with all-wheel drive and a Tiptronic transmission. This Porsche has less than 104,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. 2016 Porsche Cayenne S. Turbocharged power meets luxury. Unleash 420 HP and 406 lb-ft of torque from the 3.6L twin-turbo V6 engine, delivering a thrilling drive every time. Finished in Meteor Grey Metallic with a saddle brown/Luxor Beige leather interior, this Cayenne S blends performance with pure elegance. With 17 mpg city/24 mpg highway, you get power without compromise. Plus, a clean CARFAX report and excellent overall condition mean you're getting a top-tier ride. Don't wait. Experience the 2016 Porsche Cayenne S today and elevate your driving game. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability, control and traction control,